Hello everyone, so today we will see projectile motion, and before we start the topic, let us know something basic about it. That is, motion is a motion which is which is 2D motion. So when we talk about 2D motion, it means it it happens in two planes. मतलब वो दो planes में होता है, एक y plane and एक x plane. So xy plane, right? So it has x y, right? So इसमें हम एक what we do is when we project a particle with velocity u, so it travels a trajectory like this. So this path is called as trajectory. Let us name it. This is called as trajectory, right? So this is called as trajectory. This is u, and whenever we are projecting, then we project it with some angle called theta. It covers the path like something like this, and as we can see, when it is thrown with u and this is theta, so we know that if it is theta, then this will be u cos theta, and this will be u sin theta. So we know that when we are moving in x, we solve in projectile, we solve x coordinate separately and y coordinate separately. So let us see how do we do it. So this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Let us see what is acceleration, what is velocity, what is, for equation of motion we need acceleration. We should know acceleration, velocity includes both initial and final velocity, then distance traveled and time. These four things are important for equation of motion. So let us write what is acceleration in x direction, that is 0, because we can see in x direction there is no acceleration, but in y direction ay equals to g. So now you will ask how, because we can see that in x direction there no g will act, right? In x direction there will be no g, but in y direction g will always be acting in downward direction, right? G. So everywhere g is acting in downward direction, hence the in acceleration in y direction it will be g. Okay, so now let us write the initial velocity, that is ux equals to u cos theta and uy equals to u sin theta, right? Now what will be vy? Vy equals to, and in projectile everything can change except time. Time will always be same in any frame, anywhere. Like how much time is covered in x direction, same time will be covered in y direction by the particle. Okay, so if it is in the same trajectory, then time will be same for both. So let us write t here and t here. Now what will be final velocity? So first we'll write in x direction what is final velocity. Final velocity will be equal to, we know the formula called v equals to u plus at, right? We know the formula called v equals to u plus at. So now we are writing for x direction, so we'll denote it as vx equals to ux plus axt. So now we know it like vx equals to ux, we know the value as u cos theta. So hence the final velocity will be same as the initial velocity. We can conclude from this that at any instant, at any time, the final velocity, the velocity is not dependent on time. Hence at any instant, at any height, the velocity of the particle will be same, u cos theta. We can take it here, here also the x component will be u cos theta. Anywhere on the trajectory, the u cos theta will be the velocity in x direction. But when we see in y direction, we find vy, as we have written for x we have denoted it as Vx. So now we will denote it by Vy. Vy equals to Uy plus At. Right? So Vy equals to Uy is what? U sine theta, and we'll add minus for g, and then we'll write t. Right? For acceleration in y direction is g, so we write it as u sine theta minus gt. So acceleration in y direction is this. Hence we can conclude that with respect to time, the velocity in y will change, but the velocity in x will not change. Hence this is the video. And when we have to write it is in vector form. Vector form, how we can represent is v vector. If we denote the whole as v vector equals to vx plus vy, vx vector plus vy vector. Hence v vector is equal to u cos theta I cap plus u sine theta minus gt j cap. Do you all know that we use I cap for representation of x-axis and j cap for the representation of y-axis? So this is something I have taught you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it.